3, 2, 1.
This is the gummy version?
That's not right. What is it?
Hey guys, welcome back to Pocket Watch Studios. My name's Jetta.
And I'm Brandy.
This is Angel. This is the season of Thanksgiving.
Yay!
We all get to sit around a table and eat a whole bunch of food. And there's literally nothing better than this.
Yeah, and you say what you're thankful for.
And what are you thankful for?
Food. And Jetta.
The necessities. And today we're playing the Gummy versus Real Challenge, and it's the Thanksgiving edition.
Ooh.
Wow, 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 wow. Cranberry sauce.
Turkey. Let's get it on.
All right.
Okay.
So who gets to start first?
Let's rock paper
Rock.
scissors.
See, I thought you were just gonna punch me in the face.
Let's fight to the death.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, yeah. Saw.
Okay.
All right, that means I get to go first, and I'm
or
gonna
stay?
say stay.
Ooh.
I'm gonna
Okay.
say stay.
3,
2, 1.
I don't know what Thanksgiving
I don't know what's
dinner
real.
this is in.
This is the gummy version? Oh!
That's not right. What is it?
This is a mistake. The real winner is the person who gets to eat Thanksgiving food, right?
Couldn't have heated this
I have
mashed
to eat
potatoes
this?
up. Can't just heat it up for 5
Brandy,
seconds.
this is your family. Be grateful.
You know what I'm thankful for? The microwave we have that we never use. Oh my God.
It's very warm. Yours isn't warm?
Why?
It's like molten. We both
Or
get a point
whatever.
for eating this bleeding cloud. And these cold, sad mashed
so
potatoes. Confused. Do you want to try this one?
Oh God. Okay.
Let go, Brandy. Let go. What?
We get 5 points for that one.
Medicine for aliens.
Okay, on to the next round.
I'm offended. Okay, in round 1, we both got a point. Yay, ding.
Now we're on to round
2.
So it's my turn to decide whether we're gonna switch or stay. I will switch.
Switch. Let's do it.
Wow.
Here it comes.
3, 2, 1. Are these caterpillars?
I actually thought for a second. I was like, oh, worms. Oh, more worms. But you got beans. You got more real stuff. Lucky, lucky.
Oh, these are freezing. Nothing like a nice cold bean on a hot day. Oh man, I just don't want there to
Do
be
you want to wash
turkey.
it down with this? What's strange?
Oh.
What's strange is these are green, but there's like brown inside.
Well, I have a point, you have a point?
We both have a point.
Point. We have 2 points now.
It's a Thanksgiving miracle.
Oh, yikes. Oh! Well, there goes the green beans, Jetta. You ruined Thanksgiving again.
Dang it!
Okay, your
Let's do
turn
it.
to switch or stay. What do you feel?
What do you want, Platter? You want to stay? Okay, let's stay.
Okay,
Ready?
up to you.
1, 2, 3. Switch.
Yours might be.
What is that?
Why is it like a flower petal? It looks like a
I
flower.
like how it's arranged.
This is how I would draw flowers in elementary school. You get up. There you go. That's my girl. Good.
You proud?
I'm proud of you.
How was yours taste?
Eh.
Tastes like pig?
Nope. Yeah. On to the next round.
You're gonna spit it out?
Yeah.
All right, we're here at round 4. We have gotten points for every single round because we're just ruthless eaters.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna switch. 1, 2, 3. What a surprise!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
These are really cute.
What?
Oh! Wet.
Oh.
I don't think this is bad.
That's delicious.
That's very caramely. Oh, this is really sweet. I feel like this is sweeter than real pie. Let me give you a bite.
Open.
Oh my God.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. It's really sweet, huh?
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, I felt it like punch me somewhere inside. This is like good sweet because it's like pumpkin.
On to the next.
No, are you sure we could stay here for a while? I say switch.
Okay. Here you go. 3,
2, 1. Bread. Bread? Huh? What?
Are you sure?
Loaf of bread for ants? Oh, I like it. Oh, this is the good kind of roll. This is like best case scenario. It's really good. Oh, baby, baby. How's yours?
Kind of tastes like perfume. When you're like, Mom, can I borrow your perfume?
And you spray right in your mouth?
Because your mom's evil.
What's your mom doing to you? I think it's pumpkin. I'm sorry I grazed your arm with it. I was like, pardon me. 5 points each. High five. Ding.
Ha, ha, ha. I will stay.
Say 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
What do you want from us?
What are you trying
Yes,
to
a
tell
message.
us?
Say it.
Tell us.
What do I need to know?
Why do you keep appearing? Oh. Wow.
What's going on with your plate? Look at all this stuff.
What are these vitamins? Is this a medicine? Oh, I don't know what you are.
I don't like you.
I don't know
You're
what
okay.
you think you're doing, mister. Go to your room.
Go.
Why can't you be more like your brothers?
Why do you want?
Be like them. Talk. Get this away. There's something weird
This is not.
going on here.
But it could be a giant gummy or a giant something else.
I already know.
Stay.
No.
Surprise.
I'm surprised.
Because I think
Never
it could
see
be.
it coming.
You know they make those giant gummies? I've watched this show before.
Oh, pocket watch?
I'm a big fan. I think I'm onto something.
Okay,
So I'm
let's
saying 1,
reveal.
2, 3. I was wrong.
How? Do you just bite through the skin?
They didn't
You
even give me
expected-
utensils this time.
Here
They
you
gave me utensils
go.
for the tiny pie, but you're like, you're on your own. Figure it out. I don't know how to eat it.
Well, I'm gonna eat this. Are you trying? Oh my gosh. Oh my. You did it though.
My mouth was trying to reject it. It was like, get it out. Your body just has like reactions. It was
my
just
God.
like, you're gonna have to get this down as fast as possible.
Oh my god.
There it is.
I'll give you a point. Yeah.
And my spit to
You
prove
get a
it.
point.
Do you want to try it?
Trying to get as least skin as
I
possible.
hope you spit as much as I did. She did spit as much as me.
Tastes like dirt.
You're like, I've had worse dirt.
Switch it up. Okay.
Can't tell.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, yes!
Oh. Yes.
I got more weird pies.
It's literally the same thing, but with a peanut on top.
Just a new peanut. Why would they do that? I'm really happy you're doing so well.
Me too.
What's it like to have nice things?
It's cold. You wanna try?
I'm gonna try to get mine down first.
And nutritious. Ooh, there it goes. No?
Brandy, it tastes very bad.
I don't really want it. I don't really. You don't have to do that. You can stop it. You can stop. It's happening. I don't want it, but it is. Yikes. Do you smell that?
I think I know what this round is.
It smells like butt and cat food.
This is the butt and cat food round.
Oh man.
Here we go. Stay.
Okay. I'm nervous too.
I changed my mind. It's really heavy. Oh, it could be. I don't know. Oh God, I'm nervous. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh. This looks really fleshy.
This is what I thought it would be. Why would they make it red?
It's like a zombie arm.
Oh.
Is it bad? Oh God. No, please.
What is it?
Take it away, God. No.
Is it bad?
Is this even legal to put in your mouth? Because the tasting doesn't taste edible. Keep eating it.
You think you know what kind of bad it is?
It's like sick. Just like what? Sick.
All the sickness in the world thrown on a
Bad
stick.
thing in the world.
Okay, I'm gonna
Here
eat
it
this.
is. Oh, it's still in my mouth.
This isn't bad.
No,
Kind of like leftovers. Not bad.
this is fun.
Well, does that mean we tied?
Yeah.
Neither of us
Wow,
get
that was
punished.
so easy.
What's our reward?
Our reward is this, and getting to burn this.
Is there fire?
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what other things you want to see us try and eat, and things like that.
Let us know in the comments down below what you're thankful for.
Aww.
And we love you.
We love you. We're thankful for you. Subscribe. See ya. Adios.
Hey.
See ya.
Wait up.